What your biggest fear?
Well, my biggest fear
Yeah.
is hunger.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of nothing but hungry.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of nothing else on this earth.
Yeah.
Because I'm a God believing you. So I'm not afraid of nothing. Hungry are my biggest fear. I'm
Yeah.
not afraid of man. I'm not afraid of nothing at all. Hungry alone I'm afraid of. And believe.
Welcome back to my channel. And today, on RealkingTV Street Talk, I'm going to ask the people what them biggest fear. People, this not gonna normal. Some people afraid of rat, they afraid of roach, they afraid of lizard, they afraid of everything. Some people afraid of God. So listen, people, follow me. I'm showing you what I go on.
From yard to yard, and the cold we bring, Real King TV, I chat me now play.
What your biggest fear, my G?
My biggest fear?
Yeah.
I'm almost dead, man.
Yeah.
That's my biggest fear. I'm afraid for dead.
You're afraid of it?
Oh, you mean? I wasn't afraid for dead. You're not afraid for dead?
Yep, you're afraid of it, man.
Yeah.
But a part of the process will have to dead one day.
No, I know that, man, but I'm still afraid.
Yeah. What your biggest fear?
Like my biggest fear.
Yeah.
My friend them, you know.
Yeah.
My friend them are my biggest fear, you know. You see me, because I not go close my enemy, but I always close my friend them. So my friend them my biggest fear, bro.
Yeah.
You see me, I just so me see it. I don't know why your biggest fear.
One of my biggest fear, I hold my things now. I can say probably death. I one of my biggest fear.
Death? No, I'm not afraid of death, man. Death is a must.
Yeah.
You see me, and I'm guessing I say you're dead.
Yeah.
Your time, bro. You see me, you can't dead for my time, you know.
Yeah.
You can't dead for me.
Yeah.
You see it, so we don't
Anybody
fear
did
it.
their own, anybody did their own
You know,
time.
them one time. It's a scripture, right? And
Yeah.
you just live it.
Yeah.
You see me? So when you tap, when you buck your toe, you know, bro.
Yeah.
At the moment for you buck your toe, don't you?
Yeah.
If you drop, is the moment for your drop.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Real
how I
talk,
see it. I don't know.
People. Yeah, man. So, what is your biggest fear now? What your biggest fear?
I don't fear about nothing, man. Yeah. Me do everything do, man, and live with God.
Yeah.
In your heart at
Yeah.
all time. When you get up a man time, read the Bible and say, praises. Thank you for this day
Yeah.
and tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Give thanks, eh? Big
One
up
love,
yourself.
one
Yeah,
love,
man,
one
one
love.
love. All right, Sophia, I'm going to ask you this now. What your biggest fear?
Rat.
What you afraid of rat?
No, me no know. I'm just afraid of rat. Please.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of rat.
So, you see one right there, run up and down.
What?
Yeah.
I don't like rat. Seriously, rat let me get sick. No. I don't like rat.
So, about flying roach and them something.
No, rat.
Rat. All right. You know people afraid of rat, yeah? All right, what your biggest fear?
My biggest fear,
Yeah.
you know, say, biggest fear by like police them to me see police them operate.
Yeah.
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 So me
police
try
man
my
going back.
best. Yeah, me try my best car. Now, what day me dey on TikTok and I watch a video,
Yeah.
it's like me see a youth a walk
Yeah.
and it's like the police stop him. And when the police stop him,
Yeah.
police beg him a search. You put up in your hand.
Yeah.
Police search him. By the time you like a police drop up you and shot you out a box for no reason at all. So as I say, police are my biggest fear right now.
All right, Michi, what your biggest fear?
Biggest fear?
Yeah.
My biggest fear of the dead if me out them and I set the legacy where I want to set.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my biggest fear. No, you know me?
That's a court people, you hear that?
Yes.
My biggest fear, but you want setting legacy to you. Them.
Yeah,
man.
I'm dead if that, I don't do that.
Yeah.
I could all fear in my afterlife, say they afraid and cold and I say, Jesus, I want to go back in the real life.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So, all right. What is the biggest fear?
My biggest fear
Yeah.
is living without God.
Living without God. That's a good one. Yeah. And God is the most important thing, you know.
Yes, and we are nothing without Him.
God. Yeah. That me say too.
And I can do all things through Christ that strengthen me.
Okay.
So when we can't live without everybody else,
Yeah.
we can't live without God.
Well said, well said, well said. People, you hear that? Miss Shana Gray. Big up. Oh, and have you done a part too? I think them here so.
So I have Pepsi with ice, cool and nice. You don't know a 200 a year price. But if you have 150, you don't have to think twice.
Yeah.
You want one over have punch, peanut oats, Sapogin, okra, pumpkin seed, sapogin, dragon. In name stand up in the night till daylight, nah sleep. Or then call it baby in a buckle.
What is your biggest fear?
Well, my biggest fear right now, to be truthful, I don't think about fear.
Yeah.
And more time I just go through life and what happen. But my biggest fear right now is to see where this country going right now. Because right now I've seen some things happen from the other day and I wonder to myself, I said, boy, I wonder if Jamaica I'm really there. Yeah. From my youth I grow certain things I see. Yeah. And now I see them. Yeah, I see them. I see two women walk and two girls hug up and suck tongue. Yeah. The other day I made the right, they so sit down, you know. Yeah. And see two girls kiss through the fence, you know. Yeah. And I said, I have to cuss about it and blaze the fire, brother. Yeah. And when we are youth to grow, it is there, you know, because they're all over the world. Yeah. But we never see them so bright, brother. Yeah, so we don't know what come to the world. Especially this island. Yeah. Where you know them, burn them. Yeah. Musically, physically, spiritually, academically, we burn them. So we don't know where them come from, brother. Yeah. We don't know. But you know, everyone live them life, them love still, and love the life they live. But you know, I jam is still. All right. Yeah, man.
Luminous Water Sports. Check in, Margaritaville. One-stop shop. Everything there. Boom. Check in.
Today, what are you with?
Patrick Soap, Street King. In the street, yo.
All right, Mr. Street King. Yeah, man. What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear?
Yeah.
My biggest fear is money problem right now.
Yeah.
And eventually, God bless me every day. I can make even 1 3 or 1 4 and 5 grand. Sometimes make 100. Yeah. 100 US. Yeah. No one then kind of competitive now, it's slow now. So the season are boiled down now. Yeah. So we have to live off a picking, so you have a skill. So a good thing, so I have a wife and I'm picking to take care right now. Yeah. Maybe I want to feel like I'm going to hang myself. I'll get mad and start drinking tea rum. Yeah. You know, because stress, because I'm a youth right now, you see, I pay young youth stress out, you know, and they can't hold the pain. Some youth go through when me go through. Yeah. They hang themselves long time. What thing me go through? Whole heap of things me go through, and I'm not going for when me go through. I'm not give up, I'm not sorry. I'm a beard and go clean, and I tell myself, say, life is there, so I can move on. Because when I give up, I get weak. Yeah. Never give up. Never care the country, just believe in a God.
Never give up.
Never give up. Hold on on God. It must pain me feel I'm not give up. But I'm look at young youth, I pay look at young youth I'm mad now. Yeah. This is my deal. They can't hold pressure, they hold on look pressure, they want to hang themselves. And them get mad. And I start to eat out of garbage. Big up all my friends, my family them, Sean, Wayne, Western Kingston, Gwinnett Farm. Big up my family, my Clement, the Nemar them and the lowest them. Staker, Marcia, Peter Gear, big one up. In the Street King, big them up for me, All them Nemar and the lowest them.
Yeah, today we're here with
Shelly from the Otres Craft Market, Shop 32. Remember if you come look for me and get some souvenir because Casa live enough in Jamaica.
You hear that, people? All right. Shelly, what is your biggest fear?
Dying without Christ. Even though I'm a servant of Christ, but, you know, and every day, the Spirit of God strive with man. Yeah. So, me a pray, me a hold on, because dying without Christ is one of my biggest fear. Yeah. So, me a hold on in a Christ Jesus.
Yeah. All right. Big up. All right. What is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear right now is to lose my life and I don't make nothing out of it. That's it. Yeah. I have to dead great, you see me? Yeah. Yeah, man, I can't die and born poor and live poor and dead poor, you see me, bro?
Yeah, man.
I have to be active.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right, people. One channel, when they can find them, G. And on social media.
Yeah, man, you can follow me on Instagram, SnowArt1.
Yeah, all right.
That's it.
All right.
More I make music too, so look out for me, that's it. No joke.
No joke. Oh. Today we're here with
Miss Peaches.
Miss Peaches, what is your biggest fear?
My biggest fear now in life is secret enemies.
Yeah.
Reason why some laugh with you, eat with you, drink with you, and they are the one who killing you. Yeah. That is my biggest fear in life. Because you are real to the person is not real with you. And so because of that, you have an unbalance. Yeah. So you don't even know who to trust nowadays, because it can even be your own child, your own father, mother, sister, brother, niece, nephew. You don't even know who to trust. You just have to live with an open mind to know that, hey, if things do not work out with this person, I know to walk alone. Because sometimes you do have to walk alone.
Yeah.
So for that, it is everything for me. That's why I put my trust in God. I lean upon Him. Whatever I have to ask, I go in prayer by asking my Father above. I might not get the answer same time, but I wait upon Him till I get that answer before I make the next step. That's all I have to say.
All right, thanks, Miss Peaches. And you see this now, I want the best answer me get. Trust me. People, tune in. All right, Michi. What your biggest fear?
Well, my biggest fear is hunger.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of nothing but hungry.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid of nothing else on this earth. Because I'm a God believing you, so I'm not afraid of nothing. Hungry is my biggest fear. I'm not afraid of man. I'm not afraid of nothing at all. Hungry alone I'm afraid of. And believe. Hungry alone, I'm afraid of the youth. Yeah, me get it. Yeah, me 15. Yeah, man. Hungry alone, I'm afraid of.
Yeah.
Believe.
Yeah.
Hungry and Jesus.
Yeah.
I'm afraid of Jesus, I'm afraid of hungry.
Yeah.
Because I'm a foot Jesus first.
Yeah.
So I'm not afraid of nothing but my God. I'm afraid of my God.
Yeah.
Hungry alone can stop everything.
Yeah.
And hungry. I'm not afraid of nothing else but hungry. Believe and poverty.
Yeah.
And poverty.
And
Believe.
poverty.
I'm afraid of hungry and poverty. I'm afraid of that. Yeah,
All
my
right,
boss.
All right, boss.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What go on now? Tell me what go on for your business or so.
Well, I'm there, sir.
Yeah.
This has been the go-getter business.
Yeah.
Yeah, the moving,
Yeah.
accessories business.
Yeah.
In a orchard, right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you come at orchard, you can see the poor box park
Yeah.
with the moving accessories.
Yeah.
I sell like be a car mat,
Yeah.
car seat covering, car cover. I sell WD-40, I sell air freshener, I sell shamai.
Yeah.
I sell everything for car accessories, man. Just come over here, sir.
Yeah.
I get everything for your car in a drop in a orchard.
Yeah.
And you want to see Kevin Jenner, the go-getter, the street hustler, the street side youth to live half a tree, youth to live a crossroad, youth to live downtown, youth to sleep in a Coronation Market, youth to sleep in a Redemption Market, youth to sleep on Orange Street, youth to sleep on Queen Street, in a Queen King Street, on the stall them and me, Kevin Jenner, we sleep out of the big tree, out of Parade. Out when sofa did out there, and we have buy egg and bread and tea for $2.50.
Yeah.
Them the days them sleep on the big tree. So the go-getter, the street side youth, the youth we are hustle every day.
Yeah.
And we are work every day. We not hustling, we go get it.
Yeah.
Go get it. We not hustle. Thief and criminal alone hustle.
Yeah.
We not hustler. We are go-getter. And
Yeah.
go take it and make it. And I'm out.
And I'm out. People, I eat that, people. I eat that. Another episode has come and gone. RealkingTV Street Talk. Another bad episode, people. You don't know. Big up on yourself. Thanks to the likes, shares, and subscribe. People, big up. Respect. I'm out.